Alright, this is the bed I bought. It's a twin and I got it off Amazon. It's a metal bed. It's not meant to have a box spring, but I've got this room all painted, all the trim painted, and I've got cookies, food, and water in there, and a rug that, you know, keeps some of the litter and stuff off. I gotta put the litter box over there. So it should work good. And then I'm going to unbox this thing. I've already opened it. Looks like this is all the hardware and the directions. The little posts. 2 longer posts. Cut this open, see what it is. Guessing some more the wood panels is what I'm guessing they are. The end of the bed frames maybe. Looks like we got some more metal pieces, I think, go maybe to the across the mattress legs on. Metal holes, those are probably for the ends. So those are nice wood pieces, and on Home Depot I found a nightstand that matches that, that's got USB plug-in so that you can charge your phone right there, because it gets pretty hot upstairs during the summer, so there's no insulation, and it's just hard to sleep up there sometimes. I got a standalone air conditioner unit. Has a hose that goes out the back, and it gets it pretty cool right on my face, but my legs get hot, so I'm uncomfortable. I can't fall asleep, so I'm gonna set this bed up, and then I'll upload another video of it all put together.